Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Maham Crafty, where you bring Get Strongers. With every challenge, today is challenge. It's all about you. Yes, your amazing human body. Let's see how to understand your body. From your bones to your blood cell, you get answer only 10 seconds. So think fast, smash that subscribe button.
Which organ pumps blood? Is it the brain, the heart, or the lungs? This is the right answer. Heart. Which part helps us to see? Is it the nose, the eyes, or the ears? That's the correct answer. Eyes. Which organ controls the body? Is it the brain, the stomach, or the skin? You got it right. Brain. Which part helps us to hear? Is it the hand, the tongue, or the ear? Absolutely correct. Ear. Which organ helps us to breathe? Is it the heart, the lungs, or the legs? Perfect answer. Lungs. Which part helps us to taste food? Is it the teeth, the tongue, or the eye? Yes, that's right. Answer tongue. Which part helps us to walk? Is it the hand, the leg, or the nose? Correct answer. Leg. Which part helps us to hold things? Is it the foot, the hand, or the ear? Bingo. Hand. Which part helps us to smell? Is it the nose, the tongue, or the eye? Spot on. Nose. Which part helps us to chew food? Is it the teeth, the lips, or the tongue? Well done. That's the correct answer. Teeth. Which part helps us to speak? Is it the ear, the tongue, or the mouth? You nailed it. Mouth. Which part is used for biting food? Is it the teeth, the nose, or the eyes? "100% correct. Teeth. Which part helps us to run? Is it the feet, the hands, or the tongue? That's the truth. Feet. Which part grows on the head? Is it the hair, the teeth, or the nail? Right on target. Hair. Which part shows strength? Is it the nose, the muscle, or the ear? Exactly right. Muscle. Which part grows on the fingers? Is it the hair, the nails, or the teeth? That's the one. Nails. Which organ beats from birth? Is it the brain, the heart, or the lungs? You guessed it. Heart. Which part sometimes needs glasses to see clearly? Is it the nose, the eyes, or the hands? Right choice. Eyes. Which liquid flows in our veins? Is it water, blood, or milk? True answer. Blood. What gives shape to our body? Is it the bones, the skin, or the hair? Great job. That's correct. Bones. Which strong bone is found in the leg? Is it the femur, the spine, or the rib? This is the right answer. Femur. What's the colored part of the eye called? Is it the iris, the pupil, or the lens? That's the correct answer. Iris. Which small bones inside the ear help us hear? Is it the hammer, the rib, or the jowl? You got it right. Hammer. Which joint helps you bend your leg? Is it the knee, the elbow, or the wrist? Absolutely correct. Knee. How many fingers are on one human hand? Is it 4, 5, or 6? Perfect answer. 5.
Thanks for watching.